Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today, I don't know if this will become a new series on the channel, but we're playing Terraria again. So basically, what I'm trying to do is kill either of wards. Like a guy that I met on the Terraria Discord server helped me a little bit in here. He helped me with some stuff. He gave me a lot of ammo to my mini shark. Yeah, I have mini shark now. Wait. Yeah. And he helped me kill slime. So my strategy is just keep jumping on the ear of wards while shooting him. Last time I tried to kill him, I died full damage. Which I also think doesn't make any sense. I mean, I'm on the slime mount, and it's a slime. Isn't it supposed to bounce? I mean, at least I think it doesn't make any sense. Wait, that's a little bit too loud. This, yep. I think that's good enough. So yeah, okay, dude. Oh, okay. That's just a joke. Just to let you guys know, I will not talk every single moment in this video because sometimes I don't have much to say. So yeah. Wait a minute. Okay, we're close. Oh. Wait. Seriously? Why? What the? Alright, so. Oh my god! He's full damage. Okay, it's the second last one, or however you say English. Ooh, what? Whoa. Yeah. Die, yeah. Okay, so, this one. This is the one. Here, come here, boy. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, wait. Thank you. No, thank you. Oh my god. What? What the? Shadow scale. If I find him, how much to have of that? I can try and make an iron pickaxe later. Alright. Get out of here. Let's see where I can find more shadow wolves. There's already there. There's another one there. Alright. There's still more there. Alright. Oh my god! Ah. Alright. Shoot. There. Oh. Whoops. Yeah. Alright. Now that one I think I can mine it, right? My pick. Wait, no. Let's use the hammer. There we go. Let me explode it so I can grab one here. Running from the computer forwards. Oh, no, okay. That one went a little bit too far. Alright, that's fine. myself lots of times with these bombs. Shit! Run. There he is. Hello, boy. What are you doing here? Oh, God. Alright. Now just keep jumping. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. What just happened? Okay, I'm gonna skip it for you guys. Just gotta go there again. Alright, so I'm here again. So, let's enter the cave and try to look for more shadow orbs. That's the name, right? Oh well. And try not to die like that. Again. So here forwards. And try to kill him. Oh. Ah! Wrong one. I am bad at this game. Back here again. This time I close this. Yeah, you should know. Probably trouble it. No, or not. I'm Brazilian. And I don't know. I'm English words. Okay, so it's better I not use King Slime the mount, of course. So when I'm climbing, it's climbing down a thing. Whatever. Just when I'm going up, or I mean, correct. I think never mind. Alright. Wait up. No. Okay. I'm thinking of killing the eye of whatever the heck you say it later in this video, so I can get some demo night whatever. What's the name? Demo night war, so I can make a nightmare pickaxe later. Where did this go? Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's fine. We're good. We're good. Alright. Wait, what's that? Huh? Collected? Ow. The first time I broke one, I remember it disappearing. Can I place this? What does this do? Oh, that's it? For my slide? Alright, I'll put this in my chest later. Oh, it follows me! That's nice. I'll keep it. Good. You know what? I think it's better I break this one first. So, of course, if I don't want something. Wait. There. Wait, what did I got? What's this? I'll put it in the chest. Or sell it. Or put it in the chest. Run! Excuse me! Ah! I'm still alive. Wait, how did I got this? Oh well. Okay, it's very staying right here at the top is very dangerous. Go down. No. I think this line. Alright. Shit. There you go. Okay, I'm back here. Okay. He's almost dead. Almost dead. Got a lot of HP. Oh boy. Where are you? Okay, that's the... Oh my god, finally! Let's go! Woo! Okay. Let me throw away some... Oh, finally! Let's see what I got. Oh! Nice. This is... Huh. This does more damage. I don't know if I'll keep this. I'll put it in the chest for now. I mean, this does more damage to my axe, so... But I'm gonna keep it here for now. Excuse me, Mr. Zombie, get the fuck out of here. Oh my god, finally! The King Giant Mount is very good against some bosses, yeah. It really helped me. Oh boy! Nightmare Pickaxe. What's the difference? Power 65. Nice. What? I'll put it in the chest, so why not? Where is it? already have this one. I got it from a. I know. There's no difference. But I got that one from the Eater of Souls. So okay, definitely I will. Oh boy. Now that's the good stuff. Let's see my I wanna get this cause why not? And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Yeah, goodbye.